Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can access this website that will help you fix literally anything. So if you're stuck with a broken gadget, appliance, or random do-it-yourself problem, you don't need to panic because this website has the fix. From phone repairs to leaky sinks, camera issues to car trouble, this tool gives you step-by-step guide to solve just about anything yourself. So what you need to do is just open your browser and access this or using this keyword, iFixit. Just go to the page and in here you can see there are phone repair, Apple iPhone repair, parts, repair guides, and Google Pixel repair. Let's just open the home page, iFixit. So once you open the site, you can explore the world of repair in here. For example, you can use this keyword car maintenance, or you can also just find your specific devices in here. Click on the find your devices options, and here choose the device that you want to see its manual repair. Let's say I want to fix computer hardware. You can choose the type of fix or the type of device, let's say printer, and choose the brand and also the type. Now just click on select and it will show you the guides on the repair of this device that you choose. Here you can see there are also some tools that use to work on this device. You might not need every tool from every procedures. So if you want to use this one, you can just tap on view. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.